It's important for a number of reasons, and I think we're all now familiar with the economic arguments, and it will lift the economy. It will lead to better paid jobs, to graduate level jobs that will help keep our young people in the region, but also attract other young people. But I think it's also important for a range of social reasons. It will help close some of those gaps that we see in this region, gaps in education, gaps in income, gaps in health and life outcomes. So really the whole aim is to develop a more joined up society, a more fulfilled society, a society where people have a much better quality of life and can really achieve their full potential. I think it will look like almost a speeded up version of what we've got. We know that this is a wonderful region to live in, but sometimes people don't have the opportunities they deserve. It will help release some of those opportunities. It will help people's life chances, their quality of life, their health, their well-being. I think it will make it a much more vibrant place to live. We'll have many more people trying to come and live in this region, which would be great for the economy, not just for the region, but for Wales as a whole. We are a small nation. We could do with some more people to support that economic growth.